Here we go again. Hi guys, this is MJ. And today I want to ride the Wentworth bike park. Stay tuned and enjoy that. Let's go. The chairlift is not working today. To be honest, we should climb. Oh my goodness, that's sick. There are a bunch of more trails over there from the top to down. The time is around 5 to 10 minutes downhill, and all the climb section is over there. Should climb through all the trails, climbing through the top. The top is that more than that you see. To be honest, I'm going to be exhausted. Yeah. So keep watching, stay tuned, and enjoy. Let's go.
You got the energy.
Yeah. No man. Just wait. Wait.
Just keep going.
No, that's the wrong way. That's the wrong way, man. That's sick. Woohoo!
Hey!
Nice. Kitchen party.
Okay, Barbie.
Let's go, kitchen party. Okay, let's go. Man! Yeah!
No, I almost died, bro. I almost died.
Yeah!
Bro!
I recorded.
I almost died.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Why, Mika? Why you gonna stop?
Because for the first time. Oh.
No. You flat?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. No worries, man. He flat.
Give me the way there, bro. That's okay.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
You speak Spanish?
Sí. Papi chulo.
Papi chola. Yeah, speak papi chola. Mamma mia, mamacita.
MJ, buen corredor.
Ah,
Good rider.
thank you, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you cheers.
Hey. Marico que lo lea.
I don't know what he said, but he said Venezuela is good. Pump it. Same flag. It's at a tubeless benefit. It's flat here, Vika.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, what is here?
Let me. I need.
Oh, fucking shit.
Pump it, man, pump it.
Wait.
Why don't you just airdrop it?
You need the carbon rim, man. You need the carbon. You need the carbon, same as the rear. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah.
Man, you got some nice rigs.
Marico, partí el ring, weón.
Nice fucking bike.
Hey, Uri. Partí el ring, man.
It's a little bit bent. It's a little bit
partition
bent.
of the rim.
No, pero
Yeah.
otro en la casa.
Yeah, it's a partition of the rim. That happened to me before.
Oh, it's part of the ring?
Rim.
Yeah, it's a rim.
This one here.
Yeah, it's a connection is bent.
Oh, it's not broke.
Did you open up?
Yeah.
Yeah? Strong enough.
You have gloves on. You tight it.
Yeah, exactly.
You sure? Come on, you're fucking kidding me.
Hindi kasi lasarga. Yeah. It's a butt plug.
Gift for you.
Oh, thank you.
Just
Like, you know?
do you have enough water?
What?
You should. Do you have enough water?
Yeah, we do have a.
You should wash. Clean up your tire. Clean up. You have a tire there?
Yeah, it's
Well, come on. You're fucking kidding me, man.
Wow.
There is no sedan. There is no sedan in that. You guys have a sedan? Sedan. There is no sedan tire. There is no sedan.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What brand, what kind of sedan did you put the last time?
Keep recording of me.
Yeah, he gave you the cheap sealant.
Okay, nobody.
Are you sure with that gonna fix it?
Oh, no sealant.
Damn.
God damn.
Stance. Thank you, Stance.
Look at that. How about the rim?
It's
The
okay.
rim? Where's the rim?
Where's this was what I was wondering if it
Oh, it's that.
That one.
It's cracked.
Yeah.
I don't think sealant will do.
No, yeah.
You need a
Give me that too. Give me that. Okay.
Bro, we have the big palm.
You got a big palm, yeah?
I got a compressor, bro.
off-roading.
Keep it on your pocket.
Yeah. Ah, well, we need the.
Mamma mia. Turn the pump off. Sorry, turn the. Oh my goodness.
That's a funny sound, just like farting.
That was actually a fart, bro.
Easy, man. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah, you can get it.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Look at this guy, bro.
Look at that.
Oh, man. Oh.
Look at that. Take the video. Oh, sick, man.
Let me see.
Don't worry. It's
See,
fine.
see. Ah, yeah, my God.
She's sore. A little
How's
bit.
your feeling?
Sore body.
He likes it really fucking tight.
That's enough. Take the valve off.
Thank you very much.
After a ride, chill out, and enjoy trails, enjoy lake. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. It's supposed to be rain. I don't know what time, but yeah, it's supposed to be rain. That's okay. Like a family. You know what I mean? That's a gorgeous day. I really love that. Whew. After a big winter, I just riding for a couple times. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's a good trails. That's a good bike parks. Not a huge big of bike parks, but yeah, that's pretty good. Nice. It's a fancy. But yeah, the guys told me that the trail is gonna work at the end of the June, maybe. Yeah, and I love that. I hate climbing. I hate that, and I would like to ride just downhill because I love that downhill. Fuck it! Bumpy. Hits me up. Woo. It's gone. Oh my goodness. That's sick. Go, buddy. Fuck it. All right. Right now we have two sections. Love shacks. That's a no-name. All trails are parts as an enduro trails, just for enduro riding. All trails. That's beautiful. This one and this one has a bunch more roots, rocks of camber, a lot of tractions. That's lovely. That's lovely. I don't know which one I choose, this one or that one. What do you think? What do you think?
What?
No names or love shacks? Which one do you want?
Whatever.
I'm gonna go get my sweater.
Sir? Oh, sure.
I think we're coming up again, no?
Yeah, so it's up there. It's not too far from here.
Not far from. We just, if you want to, we can come back again. You sure? You okay? You have a lot of energy? You okay?
Yeah.
You come back again? Okay. We should come back. The next.
Next one.
Yeah, the next one.
Okay. Yeah. So the next one we're gonna do.
Yeah, the black one. That the. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do
Pardon?
Oh,
You want to do that pardon again?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. No problem.
one shot, just non-stop.
Okay.
That was sweet.
Non-stop.
Yeah.
Just ride non-stop. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Let's do it again.
comments.
Comments. That's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good. What do you think?
Share,
What do you think?
share the video. Like and subscribe.
Oh, share the video.
Yeah, there we go.
Share the video. Okay.
Push that button.
That's it. Push the bottom.
Push that button. There you go.
Okay. Boro.
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 Said Boro.
Boro.
Go.
Boro. 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 Boro.
Now it's the time to go home. We're almost done. I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you see you soon. Have a good time.